Stay over here because it's too dark over there because of the sun. Okay, go. I can see you now. Let me see. I can't see your pretty face. Oh, pretty. Can you twirl around like a butterfly? Come run to me. Oh, pretty butterfly.
Can you hear this?
Pretty.
This is so fun.
I don't know.
Again?
Yeah. Can you look at me so I can see the makeup you put on?
I read it.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Yeah. Can you look at me so we can see the makeup you put on?
Flowers. It's right. Coming. I hear him.
You hear him?
It's raining leaves.
It's raining leaves.
It's raining leaves.
Yeah.